Hey guys, Ben Quintero, Honeydew Homestead. Today it is very warm today. Look at this. Short sleeves, are you kidding me? No hat, nothing, no gloves. It's gorgeous, but we do have some rain coming soon. I want to finish getting the garden put together, at least what I can for now. We have some rain in our forecast. I just put some seeds down, and it's a lot of really light stuff, carrots and some mustard and some spinach and things like that. Very light seeds that are very shallow. And if this rain that comes through is heavy, as it might be predicted, we're gonna have some problems. So I'm gonna put down a temporary solution that might help you in your garden if you're expecting rain and you don't know how bad it's gonna get. Let's get started. If you don't know, I had a little run-in with the law. Guess you could say I fought the law and the law won. I won't rehash all the details. Basically, I was forced to lower the height of my fence. An unfortunate setback was that, yes, I had to do a lot of extra work on that fence, but on the plus side, I did get some extra materials that I've been saving and using as part of my scrap wood projects, and I'm going to use some of that material today. I'm not building anything though. This one's going to be super simple, no tools required. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm going to take these leftover pickets from when I had to shorten the fence, and I'm going to lay them across the top of the garden beds. Now keep in mind, I just planted these seeds like a day ago. We have some heavy rain coming, so my intention is really just to have the boards act as like a solid mulch to take the punch from those raindrops and that heavy rain. I don't plan on leaving the boards on there very long, which is why there's really no construction, no build required, no tools required. We're just putting the board down to protect the seeds, give them a nice, moist, dark place that's out of the weather. A nice benefit of this is that it allows me to cover the soil, keep the soil moist, protect it from the rain, and also create an environment where it may store some of that heat. There's a lot of benefits to this very simple solution. So that's really about it. I'm going to grab a few more boards. I'm going to cover up the rest of the garden bed area, and then I'm going to move on to adding some fresh wood chips and possibly even freshening up a couple more of those beds. And I think I'm going to leave it there, but in the meantime, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick tip. You don't have to hang around for the whole thing. If you want to dip out now, drop me a like, maybe a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, definitely do subscribe. In the meantime, I'm going to get back to work, and I always appreciate your company. I want to stress again that these boards aren't going to stay here forever. They're only here long enough to protect them from any heavy downfall. And we'll probably go ahead and remove these in maybe a day or two. We might actually leave them for as much as a week, if that's what it takes to help the seeds germinate. All of this is depending on the weather and whether those seeds are ready to germinate or not. What's important now is that we just protect the seeds from any heavy rainfall. Alright, I don't want to bore you guys with showing you the entire thing, so we're just going to go ahead and do some YouTube magic, and it's going to be done just like this. Well, that didn't work. It's almost done. I guess we're going to have to leave this for another day. YouTube magic did not work for me today. Alright. Anyways, as always, you guys be good to each other. I'll see you on the next one.